Hey, this is Justin with Sinnard Technologies, and if you're looking for affordable website design in Wisconsin, you found the right video, as I am the owner of Sinnard Technologies out of Oshkosh, Wisconsin, and we do websites for companies. We also do mobile apps and custom software. We have a great starter package right now at $199. It'll get you a landing page, it'll go through all your services you offer, have a way for them to contact you by phone or through a contact form. It's a great start, and there's other features you can add on if you'd like. Figure I'd throw that out there. And let's get started why you should choose me. So why choose Sinnard Technologies? Well, we're a local Wisconsin-based company out of Oshkosh, Wisconsin specifically. So you'll be always working with someone that's either local to you or within the United States. We offer custom software development. This allows you to build exactly what you like. And with the dawn of AI, we can do it faster than any website builder out there. We also have no outsourcing. We always work in-house with the code, and you'll always be working with someone in the United States. We have fast communication. I reply within 24 hours to any questions or inquiries you may have during the process of building your website. We build modern, responsive websites. Once again, with AI, we can build things much faster as opposed to website builders such as WordPress. And it'll be responsive and SEO friendly. We also offer mobile-friendly websites. Not only will it look good on a desktop, it will also look good on people's phones to make it easy for your customers to either purchase from you or to contact you. Security is always at the top of mind when you're building your website. Due to it being custom code, it's generally less security prone as opposed to like someone using WordPress or a site building tool. They tend to be the most attacked websites because it's easy due to all the extra packages they might be using inside there and installing there. There's more vulnerabilities generally in those website builders as opposed to custom code. And you'll be ready to grow, right? So we're starting with the website, and let's say your business starts to take off and you need maybe a mobile app. We can use the same resources due to it being custom code, the same server and the same resources that you're already using on your website. The big problem with those builders is they're generally very specific to, say, WordPress. So they use a specific type of SQL database. They use a specific type of programming language that's only specific to that platform. So if you ever want to make like a mobile app later on, it makes it very difficult to use those same resources to maybe make a different tool that can save you money or improve your productivity in some sort of way. But yeah, those are all the good reasons why you should choose Sinnard Technologies. So what makes a great website? Well, first you want it to be fast loading. If it's more than 3 seconds to load, I mean, people are just going to hit the back button. You want it to load like instantly. And most custom websites do load instantly due to the fact that it has the least amount of code as opposed to a WordPress site where you have a bunch of stuff installed that you might not actually need, but it needs to be there for the website to run. It's mobile responsive, meaning it should look good on the phone and respond to whatever screen size they have. There's different sizes, like 6-inch screens, 5.5-inch screens. So it should be mobile responsive. It should be SEO optimized. Why should it be SEO optimized? Is because the whole point of the website is to be found on the internet, right? It should have easy navigation. It goes back to the process. You don't want to make the customer think. They should know where to find the navigation. They should easily get to it and be able to find the different areas of your website. There should be a clear call to action, get a quote or call me now, something like that to get them to actually proceed to get a hold of you. Professional branding, they should know exactly which business they're looking at, maybe just your name that's clear up at the top left. Maybe you have a logo, but you want your branding to be clear on the page. You have to have security in mind. You don't want customer data to be leaked somewhere or get hacked because you have a security issue on your website. It should have analytics. You should know which pages are loading, where are they going, where are they coming from, so you can do more work towards the things that are working on your website. It should also offer scalability. Meaning like later on we can add in new features like maybe scheduling or maybe a blog or maybe your own CRM system for customer relation. Whatever it may be, it should be ready to be scaled and handle new traffic. So what is the development process like with me? The first stage of development would be like a discovery call. Essentially, we get together and we talk on the phone or through video chat about what you're actually looking for and what you want your website to do. Maybe you just want a simple starter websites, like one page where everyone can see your services. Maybe you want blogging features. Maybe you want scheduling. Essentially, the first call will be to figure out what you like. And then once we have an idea of what you like, we go into the planning phase where we plan out what we can do for you and how we're going to approach it. And then it'll be the design phase. Normally, I'll get together a couple of designs you might like, and then we will show it to you, and you can decide what you want. From there, we go into the development process where we will develop the app or website and get it functioning and ready for testing. So the next stage would be testing, where we test it out, hit all the buttons, make sure everything's doing what it's supposed to do, is flowing the way it's supposed to flow. Is it mobile friendly? Do we not see something? Stuff like that. We're trying to test it out and see if it's functioning correctly. From there, we will launch the website into your server where it can be viewed by the public. And then from there, it'll be just ongoing support and things you might want changed, maybe you want added. Maybe we missed something in the testing phase and we can get that fixed. Sinnard Technologies also offers many other things besides just a business website. We build landing pages, we build e-commerce sites, booking websites, membership websites, APIs, customer portals, native mobile apps, and desktop software. Whatever is in the software realm, Sinnard Technologies can make it, so don't think you're only limited to websites. And later on, as you grow, like I said previously, because you are using custom software, it's going to be much easier to implement other types of software if you so choose, like mobile apps or web portals or things like that. Okay, so if you made it this far, you made it through the video and you can see my services. Once again, I'm going to bring up that we do have that starter website. If you want to check it out, go to sinnardtechnologies.com. I'll have a link to my main page, and I'll have a link to that page for the starter website in the description. Just click it and go ahead and contact me, and it gives you more of a rundown of what I have to offer there. Otherwise, if you're on the fence and you're still wondering if you want a website or not, just like and subscribe to this channel as I bring more information and have informational videos on different things you can build and why you should build them, and you can keep up with stuff on the internet. Otherwise, I think I covered what I wanted to cover, and thanks for watching. You have a good day.